If you want to create an email campaign in ActiveCampaign, you can choose the right campaign type, select your audience, design your email, and prepare it for sending. In this video, I'll show you how to create an ActiveCampaign campaign step by step. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and click Email or Campaigns from the left-hand menu. Click the button to create a new campaign, then enter a clear internal name for your campaign. Next, choose the campaign type that matches your goal. For a regular one-time email, choose Standard. You can also find options for automated campaigns, split testing, date-based emails, and other campaign types depending on your account. After choosing your campaign type, select the contact list you want to target. You can also use segments or tags to narrow down your audience. Now enter your sender information. Add your subject line, pre-header text, from name, and verified from email address. Next, it's time to design your email. You can start from scratch, choose a pre-built template, or use ActiveCampaign's AI-powered tools to help generate content and designs. Customize your email with text, images, buttons, links, and other content blocks. Before sending, preview your email and send yourself a test to make sure everything looks correct. Once your campaign is ready, you can continue to the final sending or scheduling step. And that's how to create a campaign in ActiveCampaign. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more ActiveCampaign tutorials.